Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Last video I said I wanted to change my headlights and my fog lights. I did not do the fog lights color because I couldn't decide if I wanted to do just blue or mint, but I did find later on that when I get used to the white LEDs, when I install them, I will end up getting the ones that you could change with application, and you could change colors whatever color you desire. So I'm gonna go with that one once I get used to the white LEDs. For right now they're just yellow. I don't know if you can see on camera, but right now I'm about to install the white LEDs because right now they're just stock. And stay tuned. See you soon, LEDs. Okay guys, I just got done doing the passenger side because it's like the easiest. I don't know if you could tell, it's way brighter, and this one is still yellow. So I'm about to do the driver's side since I have to remove the airbox, and once I'm done we'll see if it's more brighter now. So far I know that this is whiter and this is yellow, but goodbye stock and hello LEDs. Okay, I'll see you in a little bit. Okay guys, I just got done doing the driver's side. This is how they look. Pretty bright. I'm about right now to go and try them to see how bright they are. I really like them. No more yellow, so LEDs, here we come. I'm about to test them. I also took pictures of the process. Sorry guys if I'm blinding you guys, but I just want to... No, now you can see them. Bright white. I took pictures of the process, so I will insert them in the video. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the next update that I'm going to do in my car. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you guys next time.